Hi guys, Jacques coming to you from the ESCO booth. And I have the great pleasure to be talking to Jan de Hoek. Jan,
Chuck,
hey.
welcome to paradise.
Oh,
That's what I call Drupal.
yeah, green paradise that is.
Green paradise,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So, perfect, thank you for having us. Jan, Drupal, we've been waiting a long time to come back to Düsseldorf.
Right.
So I see a lot new things around, not new names, but joint names. So tell
Right.
us a little bit about what is ESCO doing today, or the group?
Right, yeah, so if you look around, you don't see only the ESCO logo, you
No.
also see the Xrite logo, the Pantone logo, the Enfocus logo. So we're actually co-exhibiting with these brands for a very simple reason. We're all owned by the same technology innovator company called Veralto, but that's not the most important reason. The most important reason is that we join our technologies, we integrate our technologies, we bring our expertise together so that the sum of the components offers a lot more value than the individual components in their own right could ever be able to do. I'll give you a little secret as well. Our current CEO, Joël Dipernay, has been in the past 3 years the CTO, the Chief Technical Officer of Xrite, Pantone, Enfocus, and ESCO. So he has been building an IT infrastructure, a platform in the past 3 years that now is one of our main innovation introductions here at Drupa 24.
So he already, let's say, had the vision of looking forward and to the integration of those 4 brands and joining them in one platform.
Yep.
So they all coexist, let's say,
Yep.
seamlessly.
Right. And the key to that is cloud computing.
Right.
The IT architecture of today and the future, looking forward to that, is clearly in cloud computing. So we've built in the past 3 years a full operational cloud architecture that has as the main benefit of scalability, multi-tenant, central data storage, and IT security. ESCO, we are taking more and more responsibility over IT security and IT architecture from our customers, basically, making life a little bit easier for our customers.
Well, as you say, you are obviously present in the cloud,
Yep.
the SaaS solutions and so on. So we know a lot about the processors,
Yep.
ESCO and so forth. But talk a bit more on to that software development that become more and more important with all those integrations and stuff.
Yep.
So what is that your, let's say, joint R&D is capable to do, and what are you bringing for your clients to the market on that behalf?
Right, what we're introducing here at the show is ESCO S2. S2 is the name of that IT architecture, that platform, with which, for instance, we can basically create a central data storage, for instance, where color profiles are, for instance, stored and shared between the different users, not only between the different operators, but also between multiple production sides of a converter. More and more in this hot M&A market, we see customers that have 12, 15 more production facilities all across Europe, all across the world. But how do these people share data? How do they make sure that they know what press profiles are available in a remote plant? Well, now we centralize all that data in a cloud platform. And all our existing products, like ArtPro, ArtPro Plus, Ardios CAD, Studio, all our tools will connect to that platform. And on top of that, anything new that we're developing will be developed natively on that S2 platform. That's how we create value for our customers.
Yeah, it sounds a sound plan.
Yep.
Maybe coming to the Flexo area as well, because
Sure.
a lot of people ask,
Sure.
well,
It's one of our flagship products
exactly.
is Flexo.
So I had the pleasure of not so long ago to visit all 4 labels, for example, in Germany. I saw CCC, for example. Like in that area, what are you showing at Drupa?
Yeah, so also on the Flexo imaging side, there is a very exciting innovation. What we're doing is we're introducing a new member of the CDI family, but all the way at the top of the quality segment. Top quality segment, a new product. We call it the CDI Crystal XPS, that's the base name, Quartz Edition. The Quartz Edition is trying to address that segment of the market that needs absolute top quality. What is the innovation really all about? It is, first of all, hardware. There is a new optics system that we have created. that increases not only the quality but also the speed of exposing the plate by 30% more productivity with the new optics. And secondly, there's also software involved, more particularly screening software. And I mean, we have samples over here. I mean, if anybody wants to come and see, Drupa is still a couple days. Anybody wants to come and see and have a look at the samples that we have, they're absolutely stunning.
Yeah, I've seen them and I can agree on that one. And the far end, I always saw something, I don't know, embellishment or some kind of varnish.
Yeah, that side of our booth is where we demonstrate our inspection technology.
Okay.
We have the AVT product line for a couple of years in our portfolio already, focusing on inline print inspection. 100% print inspection of the entire web, of the entire web width, but also of color and of print defects. And the main innovation that we're showing here at Drupa is that we're now also capable of inspecting varnish, the quality of the varnish layer, in line without stopping the printing press. We are now able to detect issues with varnish like varnish starvation or misregistration between the printed matter and the varnish layer. I mean, without this technology, you have to simply stop the press and look at the design with a UV lamp.
And now you're detecting early on.
Now we're at print runtime.
Okay.
And that now fully integrates varnish inspection in the inspection workflow, saving our customers a lot of time and money.
Very interesting. Maybe one last thing, because I see a wall before me with a lot of, lots going on there. What's it all about?
Yeah, I mean, you got to go in and see that. This is our innovation lab here on the booth. We decided to install that experience here on our booth to show visitors, or existing customers, but also anybody that wants to visit it, feel free, to show them what our vision is of the future of the print and packaging industry. And it's based obviously on cloud computing, that's already here today, but it's also based on artificial intelligence. And I don't want to be real fluffy and vague about that. In the Innovation Lab, you will be able to experience hands-on software prototypes that are predominantly based on artificial intelligence, and you will experience hands-on how that will change your life as a professional in the print and packaging industry.
Well, I must go see then, and on this note, obviously we invite everybody who is interested to come and have a look here at ESCO. So Jan, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thanks.
See you soon.
See you, Jacques.
Bye-bye.